Hey, we're going to take a look at a Nova Mesh M case. Here's the instructions. Let's turn it on. So, power switch on the back. And then, for some reason, does that. Let's see. This is the front of the case. So, yeah. Let's look at the instructions first. Nova Mesh M. Here's taking it apart. There's a dust filter on the bottom, dust filter on the top. And then you pull out the fronts. Yeah, hard drive cases. Argb has 3 fans. Okay with it? Oh, excuse me. 4 screws to pull off the sides. Top filter, bottom filter, and then drive space locations. 2 SSDs. Looks like there could be SSD there, and then all 2 3.5s. And then let's see, 2.5s right there. Install on back. 2.5 there. Hard drive mount, and you can put another SSD on there. As you can see, SSD. Install. Let's take a look at it. There's the colors. And hard drive install. Fan mounts. Okay, and controller. The Argb controller and website, etc. That's it. So let's see. There's the front. Push a button. There's a power. Let's see. There's a power button. And there's a RGB button. Here's the mesh. You could put more fans in here. The water cooler. It looks like it's. You could see it. It says USB. Barely USB 3 headphone jack, mic jack, USB 3. So 2 USB 3s. And then the RGB button. Blue. Back. Inside of me. Nothing over there. Let's take a look at the front. Or the side. There is the side. Let's remove this thing. So yeah, there's the inside. Let's take glass, tempered glass, PSU power supply, viewer, so you can see it, look at it. And then I'm gonna have to show you the back after. So yeah, let's take off front. This one doesn't really have a handle. Yeah, you just slide it off and it falls off a little fast. Let's see, what can I show you? Okay. Looks like it's all, there's padded right there on the top. Bottom of that, sides not padded, that side not padded, and then 2 lock areas and no handle to pull. But they're telling you that you're not going to be doing that much if you install it. So yeah, there it is. Okay, here's the inside. I have a, I don't even know what kind of motherboard that is. Asus something Gen 7700 processor, 2 sticks of RAM. I have a 6500 XT 4 gig black from Radeon XFX. These are the fans that came with it. And then you can put the 2 SSDs there, and then you put the SSD here. And let's take a look at the middle or side. There is like, this is a ATX motherboard, okay? Not an MATX, but yeah, there's like barely any slots left to put anything. So the fan goes this way, pulls this way, and goes this way or something, then goes that way, and then so yeah, there's the M.2. And yeah, let's take a look at the other side. Finish it off. Here's the bottom, if you want to see the bottom. There's a screw to hold in the hard drive mounts, the mesh, the cleaning, the feet, nice pad, okay pad. This case is around $50 or something? I'm not really sure, I don't remember. Probably I'll link in the description below. Like and subscribe if you guys can. 2 nuts, hand nuts. This one has a hand holder, but this one also has 2 locks in there. Hold it in, but doesn't have a lock over here, so it's like wobbly. So you screw it in. Here's the RGB fan controller. That's already, everything was plugged in. And then the it uses SATA power supply. So plug it in there, and then that is it. Back's sort of messy, but oops. So yeah, that is it. And the back side mount. This is okay. It's pretty light. Unscrew this off, slides over, and then screw it in here, screw it in here, and then yeah, that's it. Looks like you could put maybe 1 PCIe Wi-Fi in there, here or here, and screw it on there or something. Yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. See you guys. Thanks for watching.